Are you ready to write your first line of R code but don't even know where to begin? Let's fix that today. Installing R and RStudio is the very first step on your journey to mastering data science with R. But for many beginners, this simple setup process can feel overwhelming. That ends here today. I will walk you through every step, slowly, clearly, and without skipping any. In this video, you will learn how to do the following. Number 1, download and install R. Number 2, download and install RStudio. Number 3, open RStudio for the first time and make sure it is working properly. At the end of this video, you will be fully set up and ready to code. Let's start with R itself. Starting with step 1, open your browser and go to the following URL address. Click on the operating system you are using. We have Windows, Mac, and Linux. Then click this and hit the download R window, as my case is in this video. Save and run the installer. Stick with the default option unless you know what you are doing. Next, let's install RStudio, the tool that makes R writing. Let's continue with following URL. Download the free version called RStudio Desktop. Choose your operating system, download the installer, and follow the default installation step. Once that is done, open RStudio. You will see a console window where you can type R code directly. Type this 2 plus 2 and hit the enter key. As you can see me do here in this video. If it returns 4, congratulations, you have installed R and RStudio successfully. I have pinned both download links in the description and in the top comment, so you can always find them easily. Now, if you got 4 as your result, type the R way in the comment. Let me know. That is your first way. And if you are not using Windows, drop your operating system in the comments too, so I can include you in future tailored to your setup. Now that your tools are ready, the real journey begins. In the next video, we will write our first line of R code together, and I will explain exactly what they mean. You don't have to do this alone. I will work with you every step of the way. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share with someone else who's just starting out. This isn't just a tutorial, it's a movement, and we are already part of it. Let's keep going together.